Now let's look at the hearing aids. Like I said, you'll have a right hearing aid and a left hearing aid. And right at the very bottom, the tip here, there's a little bit of red writing on the right one, and there's blue writing on the left one, just in case you get confused. But also if you hold them up, they're going to point to the side that they go into. So the hearing aid is made up of the body of the hearing aid, which has a rocker switch on it, which works for volume and programming changes and also turning a hearing aid on and off. And then you have the tube, and this is going to be bringing the sound from the hearing aid down to your ear. And then the tip, which is the dome, or the tip, which is removable. So you can make sure that it fits you the best that it can. So getting started is as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, you're going to plug in the case and charge it for about 2 hours so that we know that everything is charged and ready for you to start playing around with. Number 2 is going to be finding the tip that works for you. And number 3 is put them in your ears and get going. So when you get the hearing aids, they're going to come with a medium-size open tip. This isn't going to fit everybody, so I suggest that you put it on your ear, see how it feels, and then go from there. So to put it on your ear, to do that, I'm just going to set it on my ear. Nothing's in there yet. This is my left ear. I'm going to reach up with my right arm and pull up on my ear, and then take that tip or the dome and put it in. You might have to play around with the angle of it to get it in your ear correctly. And sometimes pulling up on your ear will straighten your ear canal and help it slide in a little bit better. For me, I have to tip it kind of up and towards my face to make sure that it gets inserted all the way. So if this feels comfortable, then you're ready to go. But if you put it in and it feels too tight, or if you're getting some feedback, that whistling sound, then let's try a different tip. Now, to do that, we're going to just pull it out of the ear. So these come with a medium-sized open dome on it, and the open domes have a slit around them. And that's to allow some of the natural sounds to come in. So if your hearing is not so bad in those lower frequencies or pitches, then you probably want an open dome. But if you need a little bit more volume, then you might want the closed dome, which doesn't have any notches taken out of it. And it's, a double dome here. This is going to help improve the seal in your ear and reduce any feedback or squealing. So if you're finding that you need to crank up the volume and you're getting feedback with that, then I would suggest trying a closed dome. So to change it is super simple. You're just going to pull on that dome, find the next size that you want, and then we just slide it in there. Shouldn't be easy to come off either. You should be able to give it a little bit of a tug and have it stay put. We don't want these coming off in your ear, so make sure you have it on there pretty good. And then once you have it on there, go ahead and put it in your ear and get it all set. So once you have it on, you have some options that you can play around with. You have volume control. Like I said, all of this is going to be worked from that button on the back. So if you press it up with a short press, it's going to go up in volume, and you'll hear a beep until you get to the top, and then you'll hear 3 beeps. And then going back down, it'll be the same thing. Short press, and you'll hear a beep until you get to the bottom. There's 11 levels of volume, so you've got a lot of range there to work with. So this also changes the programs. So we have 4 programs on here. 1 is general, 2 is restaurant, 3 is outdoors, and 4 is music. So to change those, same buttons, you're just going to press, if you're on general, press the up button and hold it a little bit longer, and you'll hear 2 beeps, and that'll let you know that you're on program 2 or our restaurant program. So these are set up with recommendations of when you might like to use them. So obviously general is your everyday program, but if you go to a restaurant or if you're at a cocktail party or someplace that's a little bit noisy, you might want to switch it to program 2. That's going to help kick up the noise reduction a little bit and should help you be able to more easily understand conversations that are taking place in close proximity to you. So You just hold it a little bit longer, you'll hear the number of beeps that corresponds with the program that you're on. Now, these are suggestions of when this might work. So restaurant program would be good if you're in the restaurant or other noisy environment. It's going to kick in a little bit more noise control and might help you out there. But you might find that you really like the music program, and that's fine. Just set it to music. It's not a problem.